While running in the race of the world, a time comes when we begin to feel a void within ourselves, a void that cannot be expressed in words. We try to fill it by seeking refuge in material things or people. And find temporary peace. But then that void strikes back more intensely than before, tearing us apart from within. At that point, we must look within ourselves and recognize that void. Because within that very void lies the secret to our completeness. That void is a path of light that connects us to our true origin. And our true refuge is only in the love of our Creator, because that path is the path that leads to our Creator.